So the next binder that we have is this one from Ultra Pro. So similar to the other one, we have the strap here, and unlike the other one, it's kind of like a flimsy front portion. So I wouldn't say it's the best as far as protecting your cards go. So it's a flimsy front portion. I mean, you can hear that as far as it not being that sturdy, but you have the strap here to actually go ahead and keep it closed. This is also a 9 pocket binder. Okay, so 9 cards on each page, like what you see right over here. And it is going to hold a total of 360 cards. All right, so you can see flipping through the pages, it's not too close to the actual reams. So 360 cards total. And as far as inserting the cards go, if we just simply insert the cards, I'd say I have no problems with the actual card insertion. Now, likewise with the other binder, this one seems to be a bit tighter, even with my cards within penny sleeves. But likewise, you have the side loader card holders, and with the right side being a left loader, like what you see right over here. So if we actually load the card, and just like that. So pretty easy to use. I mean, I just wish, I'd say like this is a pretty decent binder. It's just not the best at protecting your cards, but I'd say this is a really good trade binder for Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh, or Magic the Gathering. This would be a good trade binder if you don't really care about, let's say like your reverse holos for Pokemon, for example. But let's go ahead and move on to the next binder.